My people, wonder shall never end. Wonder they say shall never end. Hey, wetin dis guy think say im dey do sef? Wetin Baba talk say im dey do? Which kind human being be dis kind person for dis life? Anyway, one thing is for sure, a good woman will always become a good woman. She will always be a good woman. And those children that she treated nicely will never forget it. Even if they are advised or instructed or commanded never to go close to her, they will still not listen. Guys, all this while that this thing have been happening between Baba and the Annie, these boys, that's the Annie, Baba's children, they have been asking question, where is Annie? Of course, some of them that understand life understand what is happening. While some that are so tender, they can't understand. But the last time, I think yesterday, the day before yesterday, one of Baba's son, I don't know, is it the first son? They called him Dino, abi Nino, Nino. Nino celebrated Annie. He posted Annie and was celebrating her during Mother's Day, saying Happy Mother's Day to my lovely mummies. Okay, my two mummies. He first mentioned Annie before the biological mother. And this one, people were like, if Annie wasn't good to this girl, to this guy, the guy wouldn't have celebrated Annie. And according to what we heard, in that house where these children, where these all the Annie's Baba's children, that Annie had been taken care of, even though their mothers are not doing well. Because I heard that some of their mothers will still come to Annie and will still embarrass Annie, talk to Annie anyhow, even come to Annie's matrimonial home, can't do all this kerewa everything with Baba. Still, she will still endure. Still, they take care of their children. Each time they come for holidays, you will hardly know who is who. Annie will be taking care of all this because of what? The kind of love that Annie have for Baba. But all of these things now, they don't become lie because be true again. As Baba talk say, Anya wetin I yarn. That I heard people talking about me, this and that. If you see the way he's now celebrating with Natasha, but I know that one day Natasha go expire. As Annie expired, Natasha go soon expire. Even Natasha's own no go even last longer than Annie's own, because Annie lasted for how many years? Annie lasted both courtship and everything, 22 years according to what I heard allegedly. And the Annie later expired. Natasha just started last 2 months, on January. This is just how many months? Hey, guys, I laugh in French. I laugh in French because I know that very, very soon, Natasha will also expire. But the one wey come dey pain me too much be say, upon say all dis thing have been happening, e get one emotional message that Annie drop. Annie told Baba that even though you are doing this thing, just remember say I love you. I love you forever and ever. Hey, I no go write that one, because if you no love me like that, me I no love you again. Even though that love dey blind my eyes, I go pretend say I dey see very well. Yes, I go pretend say my eye dey very clear. I no go tell you say I love you forever, because na that kind thing wey Annie write, na im make Baba forsake Annie while Annie was at the hospital. Baba forsake Annie. Annie wanted to speak with Baba. Baba did not answer. Even doctors called Baba, he did not answer. Annie's mother called Baba. While Annie was fighting for her life, Baba did not care. He was busy with Natasha. At least if you want to divorce any woman, let it not be in her sick bed. Because according to wetin I hear, na you cause the same thing wey dey worry her. Na that stuff wey you introduce her into taking, na the thing wey dey worry her. I thank God say she no dey take again. I don't know whether she dey take again, but I don't think she's still taking it. After coming out from that hell wey she go through, is it when they heard that they are going to amputate her leg? God just save Annie. But the thing wey dey make me vex now be say, Baba, wey your children dey celebrate Annie because they know say Annie help them, Annie show them motherly love. because say you don hear say Nino celebrated Annie, you don go give your children instruction make dem no cross near Annie dey, as in make dem no cross near Annie at all at all. Wherever they see Annie, they should take the other road. And you think it's going to work? Guys, do you think it's going to work? What do you think about this particular one? Two-Face, is Two-Face supposed to tell the children never cross Annie's path? Because if Two-Face wants to do it now, the way he's doing it, what do you think about those children that is staying with Annie? Because Annie have her own children with her. If Annie is like Baba, you know say Annie go spoil the mind of those two girls. Sometimes they will talk say na girls. Guys, make I tell you now, this time around they no dey do girls and boy of 18 o. If God give you girl, that girl go fit be girl wey go even play more important role in your life when you needed them pass those boys. Make I no just go that place. That one na story for another day. But some people, why I'm saying this thing, some people will be like, I don't know girls. Tomorrow they will just marry them off and they will go to their husband's house. What about those boys? Some of these boys will go feed they take mmiri they go around because their father they take now. But what I'm now saying is that why would Baba instruct those children never to cross where Annie dey? Is it good? No, it's not good. That time when those children they come to Annie they take care of them. If Annie want to maybe do something that is not good, maybe Annie want to teach them bad thing, Annie fit do am o, and nothing go happen. Yes, you go do am and nothing go happen. So guys, I don't know what you are thinking about this thing wey dey happen right now. Me, I don't like am o. If this is what Baba said actually, because don't forget that these are all alleged information. I know when they happen, now the thing why they hear they share with you. But I know say this one fit happen because Baba no use white eye they see Annie this time. Now red eye when they take see am. But one thing when he forgot in this life is that if you hate me, my God no hate me. God no hate me. As he hates Annie now because of Natasha, God no hate Annie. All this while Annie have been with him, all the good time that Annie spent with him, all the beautiful moments that Annie shared with him, he did not remember Natasha o. Because I heard that it's not today that he started with Natasha. He has been with Natasha for long. They have been doing backyard friendship. That is to tell you, say no be today when he start dey cheat on Annie with that Natasha. But only God go judge everybody according to his work. I don't know which one wey Annie do o, but make I tell you now, no marriage is bed of all roses. Every marriage have their ups and downs. Even some people wey go still come to social media tell us say you people talk say Annie is a saint, this and that. Oh, you wey dey talk, how is your own marriage like? Forget it. Since Baba cannot handle marriage with Annie, even when Annie will still bear all the thing when they do am, after all this baby mama, let me tell you, who go fit accept how many baby mamas, how many children did Baba have? 7 children from almost 3 different women, and only one accepted to be with you, still taking care of all these children, still did not appreciate and value that woman. Who will you value? Natasha. Koi. You dey play. But anyway, whether you stop all the children from going to Annie or not, the children knows better than you know. They know say na you dey find Annie's trouble. Even though you and Annie they quarrel when you are together. But that is some of the causes of the quarrel fit come from Baba. Yes, though women go do their own, but some of the quarrel still come from him. So those children understand. You can't even stop them because you are busy with your Natasha. So they go be busy with their own life. Everybody has his or her own life to live. Guys, what do you think about this? Is this supposed to be that Baba will open mouth and tell children make them no cross near Annie? What if Annie corrupt those one when they with her now? What if she tells them that your father is not your father, and they will hate the father? tomorrow what do you think is going to happen? Guys, this life no balance at all. E no balance. Anyway, tell me what to think about this on the comment section, okay? And don't forget that you're listening to Charity Gist TV. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.